Hi everybody. This vehicle is a 2012 Chevy Equinox and we're having a problem with the blower motor. Sometimes it'll turn off and sometimes it won't turn back on for a while. Other times we turn it on and we hear this terrible noise, and that's what it's doing right now. So if I turn this fan speed up, you can hear it making a clicking sound. And oh boy, it really stinks coming out of these vents. Oh boy, that really smells. So it does work, but like I said, sometimes it won't work. And ooh, man, that really stinks bad. It has that burnt motor smell, and it's also making a clicking sound. So, time for a new blower motor.